Hi everybody, I'm Tara from Crooked Row, and today we're going to be berry picking. All of the wild blackberries, the wild ones, are crazy ripe. They're nutty prolific. They taste so good. It's like a mix between a sweet tart and I don't know. There's no dessert like wild black raspberries. So we're gonna get to picking and then we're gonna make our jam. So let's get going. Well, there you have it. We picked lots of black raspberries. If you are in zone 6, it is the time to get out and start looking for your black raspberries. Of course, we're gonna make jam and scones and all sorts of wonderful things with this. Guys, are the berries ripe? You can look on their faces and see that the berries are definitely ripe. What have you two been doing?
Eating berries.
Eating berries. You're supposed to be picking berries, not eating berries. What is all over your mouth?
Very close.
Christopher!
Hello.
You've been eating berries too! Elijah! What did you do?
Nothing.
What did you do?
Nothing.
You're supposed to pick berries, not eat them. Boo. Daddy! Not you too!
Sorry.
So, if you don't have berries growing on your own property or near you, there are lots of state parks who allow you to go in and pick those berries. The wild berries have a flavor. We have cultivated berries as well, but the wild berries have a flavor that the cultivated berries don't have, right guys? But our cultivated berries are bigger, but these little ones are just, there's a punch to their taste and it's good. So
it tastes much sweeter than the ones that we planted.
it's kind of like sweet tarts, right? Yeah. So we love to get our wild berries. Next is our wild blackberries, and we can't wait for those. And then we'll start picking our cultivated berries. If you are stressed out and you are bothered by work, which happens very frequently in this household, but if you are bothered by work or maybe it's family problems or just whatever, I highly suggest grabbing a basket or a bowl and going out and picking berries. It's extremely relaxing. Today it was kind of, it's a beautiful temperature, but it's muggy because it rained this morning, but it is a really cool temperatures this year. So I highly suggest for you to get out, watch for snakes among the berry brambles, and but please go out and let yourself de-stress and do something like picking berries, even if you don't do anything with them but eat them. It's worth it, isn't it? And if we can pick wild raspberries,
Anybody can.
Bye. Bye.